you are not select, before you install Python, right? You need to select that option, add Python path to add Python 3.10 to path. If you forget to select that option, right? Without selecting that, if you try to install that custom installation, next, if you say, whenever you go to the command prompt, cmd, right? If you type Python, your Python won't be recognized. Here it is recognizing because I have selected the option. Before installing, it will ask, add a small checkbox will be there. You need to tick it at the bottom, add Python 3.10 to path, it will ask. If you add it, okay. But if you won't add, Python won't be. In that case, you can just set manually. How to set it manually means how to add Python path to that OS path. How to add this Python 3.10 to OS path, right? In such case, check where your Python is installed. In C drive. In C drive, okay, 3.10 means if you have not selected that option, if Python is not recognized in your command prompt, select where your Python is in 3.10. Python in C drive, this one. Click it here. Copy this path. Copy this path, okay. And just paste. Where you will paste is go to your desktop and right click your PC. Right click your PC. Go to properties. In that properties, advanced system settings, you can see right here, advanced system settings, environment variables. Go to here, system variables will be there, user variables will be there. Anything you can select, system or user. So just select this path, select edit. Here already Python 3.10 is added, right? Because added. Otherwise, you can say new and just paste your path here, Control V, and just say okay. Means you are adding your Python 3.10 to operating your OS path, right? So it will be recognized once. Okay, if you say okay, say okay, and now go and check in your command prompt. It gets so all this is not required if you select that option while installing Python. Okay, for while Java, this is compulsory in Java, but in Python, while installing that Python, if you select that, this all is not required. But if you have not selected that option before installing Python, a checkbox will be there, add Python to path. If that is not selected, you need to add this. Otherwise, actually, we no need to go to the command prompt also. Whenever we install Python, we get ideally, right? Within ideally, you can work with interactive mode and batch mode. When this is available, no need to go to command prompt also. Here you can work with command prompt. Say x value is 10. You can work with x into 5, x minus 5, x to the power of 3. In this way, any valid statements you can type and you can check it, right? No need of that command prompt also not required. Okay, fine. So whenever, okay, just search, I'm typing ideally here in the search panel, right? And file, new file, file, open an existing file. I created a separate folder for this batch, right? Python 10 a.m. Python batch 10 a.m. right? Okay. Okay, in the last class, just I was discussing slicing, right? How to slice particular portion of a string and also string methods. Like we have got upper method, lower, capitalize. For capitalizing only the first character, capitalize. Title, each and every word, first character in the uppercase. So whenever you open this ideally, you will see the font in very small font, right? If you have seen this ideally, font will be too much small. You can go to this option, configure ideally, and here that size will be there. I'm making somewhere, you can make it as per your, and okay, fine, 22. Fine. Swap case converts one case to Another case, a replace for replacing a portion of a string, Java with Python. Format for substitutions, right? Okay. Count to count the number of occurrences of each character or a substring. Strip for removing the blank spaces before and after the string. So there is one more method called split method. The split method, you can make a note of it, split. If we split a string, we get a list. I'm saying that if we split a string, we get list of strings. If we split a string, we get list of strings, I'm saying. We get list of strings means, for example, x equal to okay. I got this statement, right? If I, how many words are there in this? 3. If I split this, line, if I split a line, you will get words, right? If I split a line, you will get words. How many words here? 3 words. If I split a line, I'll get list of 3 words. List of 3 words. So if I split a string, what I'm saying, we will get a list of strings. Now split it. X dot split. If you, how you are going to split means between the words, what is there? Space. If space is there, split based by space. One space I'm giving. Split by space. If between the words comma is there, split by comma. Between the words, what is there? Based on that, you split it. Here space. X dot split based on space and store the result in y, right? Now y type of y, print y comma type of y. What will be the type of y here? Type of y is what? String. X is a string. If I split a string, the resultant, what is y? A list. What you will get? List. If we split a string, I'm saying we get a list. So here x dot split based on space, I'm splitting it. What is the result you get? List. List of 3 words. List of 3 strings here. List also has got indexing. List of 0, list of 1, list of 2. Observe this. I want to print only India here. I want to print only the word India. How can I print only the word India? Means slicing you can do. Yesterday I said slicing, right? X of 0 to x of 5 or x of 0 to some x of 7 this way. I can perform slicing, but slicing is time taking because you need to know the start index, end index. You need to keep on counting the indexes. So just observe this. Good morning, India. If I split a string, you got list of 3 strings, list of words. Which word you want among this? India, right? 0, 1, 2. List index will be 0, 1, 2. So just say y of 2, right? Print y of 2. That's it. It prints India. Run model. Printing India, right? So if you want any string, like if you want to print only a particular word from this, split it, you will get a list. From that list, you will get list of words. Which word you want from it? You can select based on index. List also has got indexing, right? Understood this, everyone? One more example for your understanding. This time I will take employee details are like this. Employee ID, employee name, salary sum 90,000, designation sum manager. I want to print the employee name and designation only. Observe here, everyone. My task is print only that employee name and designation. How can you print? Printing employee name and designation. Yes. Say emp dot split. Split based on what? This time comma. Previously space, right? This time split based on comma. Based on comma, if you are splitting, right, you will get a list. Y is a list. List of how many words? If I split this line, you will get list of 4 words. Which words you want from those? Second word and fourth word. Means y of 1, y of 3, y of 1 and y of 3, right? Now say print y of 1 comma y of 3. Both I want to print in a single line. Y of 1 comma y of 3. Now it will print name and designation. Ajay manager is going to print, right? Ajay manager. Here, if you observe print y and type of y, what is type of y here? List type. If you split a string, you will get a list. Y and type of y is list type. Okay. Understood. Write this. Okay. Now observe one more method, one more list, one more string method, right? Find method. Find. To check whether a substring is available or not. To check whether a substring is available or not. a substring is available or not means, okay. If found, it returns first character index position. If found, it returns the first character index position. Else it returns -1. Okay, for example, employees are like this. Blake, James, Rohit. So in this way, I have taken some names. Think that you have got some 50 names, like check whether your name is available in this one. For example, print employees dot find find for a particular name, John. Think that you have got some 10 lines. In the 10 lines, all the employee names are displayed in 10 lines, separated by comma. To check whether a particular name is available. Find means to check whether a substring is available. If found, it returns the first character index position. John. If John is found, it returns the first character index. First character index position means what is the first character in John? J. J index it is going to return. Yes. For example, run module 28. Yes, it is found. John is, it is returning the index 28 is the index. For example, if it is not found, it returns what? -1. Okay. Print emps dot find Smith. So this Smith is not found. It should return what? -1. It is returning -1, right? If found, it returns the where it is available, means at which index it is available. It is showing you the index, right? What is the index? It is John 28. Now using that slicing, can you print that John emps of 28 to printing John 28 to 1 2 3 4, add 4 to it. 28 29 30 31 32 we need to say, right? 28 to 32. 32 excluded, up to 31 it will consider, right? John. EMPS of 28 to next. Yes. Which alphabet? Generally, in our real-time task, we go with strings, names, employee names, customer names. Okay, in this way, right? But generally, you won't search for characters, right? In our any tasks. Even if you want to search for character, also, which character you want? A or J? G you want? Yes. For example, print emps dot find of G. You say whether this. Okay, 1 second. Emps dot find of G. Okay, 1 second. What it is giving? 34. G is available or not? Yes. At what index? 34th index. That is also fine. A particular character or substring, anything you can find. It is found or not found. If found, it returns the index. If not found, it returns -1. Right? If you want to print any name here, Ajay or John, right? Two ways. Find, otherwise split it. Split it. You'll get words. 6 words. Which word you want? John means 5th word. Index. Index of 5. In this way, split it, you will get a list of words with from the word which word you want. That is fine. Otherwise, using find, whether you check it whether it's first available or not. You can check it. Find is alpha. It returns true. It returns true if all the characters within the string are alphabets. It returns true if all the characters within the string are alphabets. X equal to city equal to Hyderabad. Print city dot is alpha. True or false? What it returns? City dot is alpha. All the characters within the string are alphabets. If it is true, it returns true, right? What is output? True, right? Alpha. Sorry. ALPHA is alpha. Is alpha. True, right? All the characters within the string are alphabets. Print date dot is alpha. True or false? False. All the alphabets are okay. All the characters are not alphabets, right? Some numerical digits. Okay. What is it? True or false? False. name equal to name dot is alpha. True or false? Everyone try to answer this. Name dot is alpha. True or false? All are alphabets. All are alphabets in this. One space also there, right? False if it is. Because space is there. Space is not a alphabet, right? If space is not there, there will be true. Observe this. Run module. True, right? If you have got space here, it returns false. Yes. First letter is Rohit. Yes. No. If this is this is your string, right? Entire string. In the entire string, all the characters should be alphabets, but there is one space which is not an alphabet. Entire string you need to consider. Is decimal. It returns true. It returns true if all the characters within the string are numeric. Today's date equal to 26. Okay, 1 second. 26/11/2021, right? Print date dot is decimal. True or false? Everyone try to answer. Date dot is decimal. True. Spaces are there, right? All the characters are numeric. There are, see what? Okay. What is the length of this string? First to say print len of x. Print len of date. Len of date is what? 8 or more. 2 to 4 plus 4. Is it 8 or 10? 10, right? The spaces also will be considered as a. So is decimal. True or false? Because spaces are there, right? Spaces are there, so it returns false. The length is what? 10. What is the value of pi? 3.14. Pi value is what? 3.14. Print pi dot is decimal. Pi dot is decimal. Is it a decimal? True or false? Keep within this double quotes. It will become a string, right? We are discussing about strings, right? So within the string, length of that pi. What is the length? Print len of pi. 4, right? In that all the 4 characters are numeric. No, right? So 3.14 is not, it's false if it is false. Length is what? 4 and false. Right, fast. Okay. Next, account number equal to 30987640. Print account number dot is decimal. True, right? Yes. True, right? Yes. So all are numeric. All are numeric, right? Yeah. Three point one four. If you are keeping in double quotes, it's not float. It is string. If you are keeping in double quotes, if you won't keep in double quotes, it is float. Anything if you are keeping in quotes, right? Treated as string. Type. If you want a type of pi will be written string type, not float. Type. If you see type function type of pi means is it a float or string? String. Yes. Next example. 14th. Is all num. What is that? Is all num. One more method we have. What is all num? It returns. It returns true. It returns true if all the characters. If all the characters within the string. If all the characters within the string are alphanumeric. Okay, it returns true if all the characters within the string are alphanumeric, right? Alphanumeric. Okay. Alphanumeric means either alphabets or numeric. Otherwise, you can read it if all the characters within the string are either alphabets numeric or a combination of both. Why? Because if we take alphanumeric, you may think only alphanumeric it should be. Now we see this. See these three examples. Is all num true or false? Everyone. is all num. Alphabets and numerics both. Huh? False, right? Because space we won't be treated as alphabets or numeric. This one is all num. It also returns false. This one is all num, right? It returns what? True. Date November 26. True or false? True. Date 1 dot is all num. It returns true. So these two returns true. This returns false. PAN number ALGP 3935P. PAN number is all num, right? True, right? PAN number will be combination of alphabets and numerics, right? True. It returns true, it returns true, it returns true. These two returns false. Okay, finish writing. Okay, fine. This returns true. Okay. Partition. It returns a tuple of 3 strings. It returns a tuple of Three strings before match, match, and after match. Observe here one example. What are this? City is equal to Chennai. Chennai, Mumbai. Delhi. Python is case sensitive. If you are giving a P in uppercase, it returns okay. Error, it gives error. Print upper cases and lower cases are taken differently, right? Print cities dot partition based on Mumbai. What is the output you get? What is Mumbai will be the match. Before match means you will get Chennai. After match means Pune you will get. Observe this output. You will get three strings. Mumbai is the match. Before match is Chennai. After match is Pune. It returns three strings. One second. Output. Observe this output. This is before match. This is match. After match. Before match, match, after match.
So same time matches.
You want Mumbai?
Different.
No. Send me the string. This one. Okay. 1 second. Before match and after match are same yours. Before match is this, after match is this. 1 second. I'll give you different examples now. You can check it. Okay, you mean to say, for example, the cities, I'm changing this. Observe this example too. Control V. Assume that Pune coming here. Pune, Chennai, Mumbai. Now try to say cities dot partition Mumbai. Cities dot partition Mumbai. Yeah. Before match Pune.
After Chennai.
Match is Mumbai. Match is Mumbai. After match, nothing, null. Before match, Pune, Chennai. Observe this output. Before match will be Pune, Chennai as one string. Match is this. After match, empty you will get. Empty means only dove quotes you will get. Observe. Only quotes, right? After match is Mumbai. Before match is Pune, Chennai as single string, right? I'm just giving the output here. Before match and match. Take this first. before match, match, and this is after match. Observe this example 3. Example 3, right? Okay. Um, assume Mumbai coming first, Pune and Hyderabad. Okay, fine. Now say print cities dot partition Mumbai only. Cities dot partition Mumbai. What is the output?
Before it means,
Before is after is Pune Hyderabad. After match is Pune Hyderabad. Match is Mumbai. Before match is null. So null match is Mumbai. After match is Pune Hyderabad. Control C. So partitioning a string into 3. So before match, match, and after match. At this fast with outputs. Okay, finished. Example 3. This time. Okay. I'll take the same thing. Example 4, you say. Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad is there, right? You partition based on Delhi then. What is the output? Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad is there, but partition on Delhi. Is there any match? Match will be null this time. Match will be null. Match is null means this everything will be treated as before match. This everything will be treated as before match. After match null, match is null, after match is null, before match will be this entire thing. Observe this. Run module. Okay, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad. This entire thing is what? Before match. Match is null, after match also null. Output. Okay. Okay. Just now you asked, right? Mumbai, Mumbai, Mumbai. Now say which is match, which is before match, which is after match. Yes. Say all are matched. See, the first one Mumbai is there, it is a match, right? The remaining two Mumbais will be taken as after match. Before match, null. So Mumbai first itself is a match. First itself is a match. After match, these two. Before match, null. So before match is null. Match is Mumbai. After match, Mumbai, Mumbai. Right? Output. Finished. I'll forward you this document, not a problem. Now, this time, see this small Mumbai, can say means Mumbai in lowercase, Mumbai in uppercase, Pune. Partition on Mumbai. Now try to say smaller.
Means,
Huh? No draw here at least. This is match. Python case sensitive. This is the match. Before match is this smaller Mumbai. This is Pune is after match. Okay. Okay. Observe this output. So that is related to partition. You can partition a string into multiple strings before match, match, and after match. Fine. Okay. So these are the various methods of. So we don't need to write huge codings here in Python. So if you want to perform any operations, we have got many methods like these are the various methods: upper method, lower, capitalize, title, swap case, replace, format, count, strip, split, find, is alpha, is decimal, is all num, partition, right? Fine. So still we have got more discussion on strings. Still like the string functions are there, string special characters are there, right? We'll discuss that in the next session, right? Fine. Okay. Tomorrow Saturday, right? I'll be busy with other weekend classes. Tomorrow no session. We'll meet on again Monday. Fine. Next class on Monday to Friday. I'll forward some assignments on strings, right? You can work on that. Fine. Any query?